Have you ever wondered why some people have legs that curve outward in a distinctive bow shape? This condition, known as bow legs, is more common than you might think, affecting individuals across various age groups and demographics. Bow legs can impact a person's mobility, posture, and overall health. But did you know there might be natural remedies that could help? If you're curious about what causes bow legs and how natural remedies might help, you're in the right place. Bow legs, also known as genu varum, is more common than you might think. This condition, characterized by an outward curvature of the lower leg in relation to the thigh, can be attributed to a variety of causes. For starters, genetics play a significant role. Just like hair or eye color, the shape of our legs can be something we inherit from our parents. Nutritional deficiencies, particularly in vitamin D and calcium, can also contribute to bow legs, especially in children. Moreover, certain medical conditions, such as Blount's disease or rickets, can lead to bow legs. It's important to note that bow legs in infants and toddlers are generally normal and often resolve on their own as the child grows. However, if the condition persists into later childhood or adulthood, it may need medical intervention. Now that we understand what causes bow legs, let's explore how natural remedies can provide relief. Natural remedies can be a great way to manage and even correct bow legs. Let's dive into some of these solutions. Firstly, targeted exercises can play a vital role in straightening bow legs. Activities like swimming, cycling, and yoga can help strengthen the muscles around your knees and hips, improving alignment over time. These exercises not only enhance leg structure, but also promote overall body fitness. Secondly, proper nutrition is key. A diet rich in vitamin D, calcium, and phosphorus can help in maintaining strong and healthy bones. Incorporating foods like dairy, fish, and whole grains into your daily meals can provide these essential nutrients. Remember, a balanced diet goes well beyond correcting bow legs. It's a cornerstone of general health and well-being. Lastly, lifestyle changes can make a considerable difference. Avoiding high-impact activities that can exacerbate the condition and maintaining a healthy weight can help in managing bow legs. It's essential to understand that these changes don't bring about overnight transformations. It takes consistency, patience, and time to see noticeable results. These natural remedies not only address the issue of bow legs, but also contribute to your overall health. They help build stronger bones, improve posture, and promote physical fitness. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and your step towards healthier legs starts with these natural remedies.